Hello everyone, thanks again for joining our channel once again to listen to one of our health drink option. Today we're going to look at an health drink that is more of a plant-based milk. In our previous video we have done soya milk. Today we're going to try a different kind of grain milk, which is called the almond milk. So plant-based milk are similar in nutritional value to any other animal-based milk, say cow milk, but they are prepared differently. That is, they are prepared from grains rather than using the animal milk itself. So yeah, they are prepared from either grains, seeds, or tubers. So in our case today we're going to use the grain, the almond grain. So almond milk or drink are best alternative to cow milk, especially when cow milk causes an allergy or is intolerant to the body. It has a very pleasant taste and medicinal properties. So nonetheless, its nutritional value is inferior. Some commercial brand, what they get to do is they enrich the almond milk with calcium, vitamin A, D and B. However, the drawbacks of adding all these sugars and added nutrients and vitamins cannot be evaded. And we can also look at some of the positive advantage. Despite the fact that it's not as superior as cow milk, it has other common properties. For instance, it's rich in vitamin B and vitamin E, and it's also a source of calcium, magnesium, potassium, and it's also very efficient in the digestive system. It is suitable to replenish mineral after gastroenterite or a diarrhea, and then it's recommended in the event that a childhood has eczema. It's low in cholesterol. You cannot compare it to a cow milk, and the prebiotic property is that it helps regenerate intestinal flora. So the ingredients we're going to use today is around 250 grams of almond. We are going to use around 6 dates. This is going to sweeten. We are also going to add around 4 cups of water. And for those who love flavors, you can get to add a half teaspoon of cinnamon or vanilla. So to prepare this milk, it takes the same approach like any other plant-based milk. So for this, we soaked the almond seed, so that is where you see they've increased in size. So we soak the almond seed. Unlike the soya milk, where we get to remove the skin of the seeds after the soaking process, for this we just rinse off the water. So this is what I just did. I poured off the water that we had used to soak this. In our recipe we're going to add dates, which is going to be a sweetener. But if you feel that it's still not sweet enough, once you've made the milk, you can get to add stevia to it or any other sweetener that is healthy. So we have strained off the water that was used yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and add this to our blender. So I'm going to wash this into the blender. So once I add this to the blender, I'm going to go ahead and add the dates to this. This is going to act as our sweetener. Then I'll go ahead and add water to cover the dates slightly above it. So I'm going to go ahead and add water to be slightly above the grain seed before I do the blending process. So in our case, I've just add the first glass and the second. This at least ensure we have enough water to blend this out. So I'll go ahead and cover it. Then I'll go ahead and blend this. So this is what we have after the blending process. I'm going to go ahead and sieve with our metallic sieve. So to our jug, I'll have the sieve right on top. Then I'll pour this in. It smells like any other nut, like let's say coconut. Yeah, so it smells more of like a coconut or walnut. That is the smell I'm getting out of this. So once I have sieved off my entire milk, so this is what we have. In my case, it's just 2 cups. I didn't want to make it so diluted. So these chunks, I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to make some bread with them, and I'll share this once I'm done in another video. So this is the milk we have. I'm going to go ahead and boil it. So to ensure that I've not left any other chunks, I'm going to do another sieve.
Mommy, happy.
Yeah, so I'm going to sieve this once more, just to ensure I didn't let anything pass through the first sieve. The reason why you see it's a bit brown, it's because of the dates I used and the skin as well for the you can see I still add some form of chunks. If you use a cloth, you will not get this because a cloth does a more finer sieving, but because I don't have one, I'll just go ahead and use the 2 sieves.